Hey everybody, welcome back to Mud and Rust Workshop. Today we're going to be looking at our new submersible lights for our boat trailer. Had one get damaged last summer, and we're getting ready to get the boat ready for the summertime, so we're getting ready to put the the light back on, and I'm going to show you which one we decided to go with. You can pick them up on Amazon. I'll drop a link below in the description. These are for LED, they're for trailers under 80 inches. They're submersible for our boat trailer, so it's one we decided to go with. I'm going to show you what we're working with here in just a second. So you can kind of see where we had damage. Somebody actually backed into our trailer. We had to beat everything back around, and it damaged the light. And you can tell, I backed into the salt water several times last summer, so we're going to get that fixed. But the light that we picked up is an LED is trailer light kit, like I said. It is for low profile, for over under 80 inches. It does have all the hardware, wiring, brackets, hardware to go with it. And it is, you can see here, a C7280. Now the manufacturer for this one is Hopkins. There's others available. So you can pick up one that you want, but the model numbers tend to be the same. I think Blazer's another one, which is the one I'm going to drop the link to. But let's get to it, and we'll see what's in the package. All right, so obviously we got the two lights that come with it. All the hardware. We do have a tag plate too to attach to it if you use it. We don't have a tag on this trailer, and wiring harness. If you're going to use the the whole harness. It does come with the plug to be able to hook up to your trailer. Since we already have wiring on ours, we're not going to be messing with that. It does have a little instruction booklet as well that tells you what the colors all are. Pretty standard for pretty much any wiring harness, but show you how to wire it, and also tell you what all the colors mean. But since we've already got our trailer wired, we're just going to throw the lights on there, and we will see how it looks. All right, you can see we got everything installed. Both lights look good. Really easy. Not much. The only thing we had a little bit of trouble with was we had to check some wiring, because we do have a 7-pin connector on this boat. But all in all, went really easily. Appreciate you guys watching Mud and Rust, and we'll drop a link to this kit below. You pick one up, help support the channel, and like always, hit that like and subscribe button if you'd like us to bring us more content.